Welcome to the Why Engage Now video. This video is brought to you by the California State Payroll System Project. The CSPS project is an initiative by the State Controller's Office in partnership with the California Department of Human Resources to modernize our current personnel and payroll systems. If your department isn't scheduled to transition to CSPS and biweekly pay until 2028 or later, you might be wondering, why engage now? Let's begin with defining what engage means for you and your team. For executives and senior leaders, it means visibly supporting the CSPS project, staying informed, setting direction, and ensuring your department is prepared for the CSPS implementation ahead. For managers, it means helping your teams understand what's changing and why, and communicating the benefits to your team. You ensure your staff have a forum to ask questions and get answers, and how to prepare them for the transition to biweekly pay and the CSPS system. And for frontline staff, it means learning, asking questions, preparing for biweekly pay, and using the new, modern system when your department goes live. So, why engage now? Because this moment matters more than it might seem. Nearly 80% of the system's foundation is being built in 2026, this year. The most important decisions shaping how this system works are happening right now. That means your voice matters now. CSPS isn't just a technology project. It represents an opportunity to refine our personnel and payroll processes, and more importantly, shape the tool that helps us get there. Some teams will experience small changes, while others, such as department-level HR shops, will see significant shifts. Every department will be part of a unified system combining HR and payroll statewide. CSPS is not being developed in silos. We're inviting you to engage now, so you have a voice in helping the project team understand the needs of the departments. Each department has a Department Agency Readiness Team, or DART, that is coordinated by a DART liaison. If you have feedback for the CSPS team, ask your manager who your DART liaison is, and share your insights with that individual, who can then share it with their project change advisors. So, what does engaging now look like in practice? It can include participating in readiness activities and informational sessions, providing feedback through surveys or working groups, reviewing the CSPS webpage on the SCO website, and consuming important communications and sharing them with your teams. Supporting staff who are selected for activities like user acceptance testing, and helping to identify risks, challenges, and real-world scenarios early. Not everyone will be directly involved in every activity, but every department has a role in preparing and contributing. Think of it like building a house. The foundation determines everything that follows, and right now, we are laying that foundation. If you wait until your departments go live, the structure will already be in place. But by engaging now, you can help shape it so it reflects real work, real challenges, and real needs. That's how we build something that benefits the state and lasts. A key part of building this new personnel and payroll system is the transition from monthly to biweekly pay. You might be wondering, why are we transitioning to biweekly pay, and why does it matter now? The answer is simple. This transition allows us to align with modern standards and improve accuracy, predictability, and compliance. The transition to CSPS also better supports a workforce that moves across departments. Many state employees work in more than one agency or department during their career. CSPS will ensure that each state employee can enjoy a consistent experience with their personnel and payroll processes and systems they use throughout their career, no matter what department they're with. Once an employee transitions to CSPS and biweekly pay, that becomes their new normal, no matter where they go. If all departments are consistently communicating and preparing staff, employee transitions will be smoother. If a department hasn't started preparing, employees coming from a CSPS-enabled department may face confusion or gaps in understanding. Engaging now helps create consistency across the entire state workforce and ensures no one is at a disadvantage. That's why engaging now doesn't just prepare your department, it strengthens the entire state workforce. At the center of the transformation from the current legacy system to CSPS are the people who make it work every day: HR and payroll professionals. The implementation of CSPS will simplify processes, decrease manual processes and rework, and standardize system connections statewide. But meaningful change takes preparation. We're investing now in tools, guidance, and support to ensure every department is ready for their CSPS implementation date. So here's what Engaging Now represents: a clear direction forward for staff in all departments, a system being built with purpose, and a real opportunity to shape something that will serve every department for years to come. When we engage early, we don't just adopt a system. We prepare for it and, in many cases, help create it. We bring our voices and experience to the table, using the DART as the vehicle to help develop a system that will help us align across departments. CSPS is more than a system. It's a step toward a connected, modern, and effective state personnel and payroll system. Your department's transition may be ahead, but your impact starts now. Stay informed, ask questions, and share what you know, because the foundation we build today will shape how we all work tomorrow. Please visit the SCO and CSPS web pages and YouTube channels for more information. Thank you for watching.